Have you been thinking about ordering from CROWDCOW? You see all the good looking stuff online, you just want to know what it's like before you buy? Well, you came to the right video. We just got a giant box from CROWDCOW. We're going to open it up, we're going to take a look inside, we're going to do an unboxing, and let's get our first impressions of the box. It's well insulated. Okay, cool. So we ended up spending about $140. We got a package, which was the basic, their meat and seafood box. Plus we started adding a few things on, so let's go and take a look and see how everything looks. First thing I happened to order when I did is because if you ordered, they threw in 4 pounds of organic grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef. So that's what was my decision to finally order. A couple of the other items that we picked out were sausages. This weekend we're going to have like a sausage cook-off. So I ordered some Wagyu beef and heritage pork blend, pastrami sausage, and smoked bratwurst. Then in the main package we got a heirloom chicken. We're going to turn that into a beer can chicken in the smoker. Got the channel for that. We got some ground beef patties to go along with our burgers, pre-formed. All this stuff is nice and solid still. I'm happy with the shipping. Then we got more ground beef patties, 80-20. So we got 2 of those. We got some Atlantic salmon. Now that's probably farm rate. Well, let's find out. Well, actually on the back, you can actually scan this QR code and find out exactly where it comes from. I am impressed with the packaging. Like, I order a lot of boxes online. Sometimes you'll get air in the packaging, and these all seem like they're nicely sealed to avoid getting frostbite. Got a couple more things of sausage. Some uncured applewood smoked bacon from Peterson Farms. Probably gonna put that on some cheeseburgers. We got a beef New York strip from Broadleaf Farms. Now, another one of the cool things about CROWDCOW is you can actually figure out where your meat came from. You actually order from a specific farm, or you can look up the farm that everything is shipped from. One of my favorite cuts of meat, the beef tenderloin or the filet mignon. These look good. They're 8-ounce cuts, so it's a decent size for filet mignon. So we got a lot of burgers. So what did I get? I must have gotten 7 pounds of ground beef in here, 3 pounds of pre-formed burgers, and 4 pounds of just ground beef. To make some burgers later. Maybe let's make some smash burgers for the channel. Then we got another New York strip steak. I mean, those are pretty decent sizes, and it looks good with marbling. We'll let them thaw out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll get everything cooked up on video. There are affiliate links in the description of the video for CROWDCOW. It's going to be $25 off your first order. We do make some small commission off that, so if you're looking to support the channel, use that link. Get yourself $25 of free meat. All right, see you later.